Hi, this is Sean Pak. I am an instructor of CS103. Okay, once you log in tomorrow, you will find your courses. So select CS103. Then this is the introduction page once you log in tomorrow. Okay, on the header area, each part shows week. So this is the first week, second week, third week, fourth week, fifth week, and so on. So for the first week, if you click this, then this will show you all the information, all your work assignments to complete during this first week. And click the second week, and these are the work assigned for the second week. So let me go on from the introduction page. So once you log in tomorrow, you will see the introduction page. And okay, I'm Sean Pak. My email address is this. So whenever you have a question, please send me an email. And then please read all this information. So announcements, read, this is simple, just to read it. And this is the important part. Link of, if you don't have Microsoft Office 365 or 2019, then please click this so that you can get a free Microsoft Office access for students only. So click this, and then it will ask you to use this for free. You can register as a student, then write your information, your names, and so on. And then select this Northern Marianas so that it will give you an access code for this. So make sure you get an access to Microsoft Office 365, for example. Then once you are done, then you are ready to use MS Office. Okay, this is really important because CS103 is mainly about Microsoft Office. So please make sure to get an access to this. Okay, and then for this one, okay, please make sure to complete this. This is acknowledgement of syllabus and release form. It's really simple. Just click it, and then complete it. Very simple one. All right, and then next part. And let me explain the syllabus. So this is the syllabus for this semester, and let me click this. Then it will open the syllabus. So from this syllabus is really simple, very important because it shows all the class lectures for this course. So read it, and this is the textbook. We are using Cengage ebook, not the hard copy. It's an ebook because we are using MindTab. Okay, MindTab is an interaction provided by Cengage. You have to do it online. All the work will be done through the MindTab. So you need to purchase this. Okay, very important. So go to the bookstore and then purchase CS103 textbook. Then they will give you a code. So using the code, register the Cengage. So let me show you how you can do it. So click this, go to the model, and then scroll down a little bit. Because this is textbook information. And then please read these parts. Instructions for enrolling yourself into CS103 in Cengage MindTab. Okay, there are some different ways. If you already have a MindTab access code for other courses, then you don't have to purchase for this CS103. Because if you have a Cengage access code, then you can access all the Cengage textbook during that semester. So it shows those information here. Okay, please read this. Then you will, so once you obtain your Cengage unlimited access code, then you can access all the Cengage courses for the semester. All right, so read it, and then make sure to purchase the code. And then what you do is this one. Okay, click this part. Okay, Cengage Mind tab portal. So once you click this, it will ask you to register yourself. So you write down, enter your information and then the access code, whatever. And then it will allow you to log into this Mind tab. So click this. Okay, I already logged in. So once you click it, and the first page is login. And then once you do the login, then you will click here to open your content. And then then you will open the Mind tab, Cengage. So once you log in, then next time it will not ask you. So it will directly move you to Mind tab here. Okay, can you see it? Very simple, right? Important and simple. So get the access code and the login. So once you log in, next time what you do is click this so that you can log into Mind tab. And then once you log into Mind tab, next time what you do is just click the assignments. All right, so once you go here, so these are the, actually this is Mind tab information. And also on the right hand side, look at this, full book. So if you click this is the ebook. So these are the left pane is shows introduction, all the titles, the topics. The right side is the actual ebook. So as you go to the next page, it shows information of each page. And once you are done, there's no arrow here. That means the first part is done. So go to the second part, second title, then click the right side, right arrow. Then it looks like there's nothing, only 2 pages. And then go to the next title. Then it shows about, using SAM project, textbook project, whatever the information is. Okay, and getting started. Do this. Okay, getting started has a lot of sections here. And then as you see this, also click this part, this arrow. It has getting started, some sections, some modules like this. Getting started with the file management, Microsoft OneNote, and so on. So as you see this title on this ebook, you will see similar titles here. So getting started with file management, right? This second part. And getting started with Microsoft on OneNote, you see this one, right? So actually this contents matches with this contents in the Mind tab. Also, as you go to the introduction to technology for success, so it is this part, right? So click this arrow, then you will see some modules and some information. Okay. So please, so this part is an ebook. Read step by step. Okay, so as is in the content, number 1 is impact of digital technology. So here it is, concept module, impact of digital technology, right? So click this arrow, then you have bunch of sections related to this topic, module 1. Okay, then as you see this part, okay, so actually what I did is in menu, okay, in the syllabus, in the syllabus, the second page. Okay, these are the work for each week. So from the first week, week 1, this part, this fourth column is this shows the assignments. Okay, and this assignment, there are 7 assignments in week 1, and in week 2, there are also 7 assignments due for the week 2. And for the third week, also there are so many, so 6 and 7, 8, 9 assignments, and so on. And week 4, 6, week 5, there are so many assignments. So it's really important to do the assignments every day because it takes time. All right, don't try to do everything in one day. It takes time, and all the work is due the following is due on Sunday on the same week. So starting the first week, so after the Saturday, which is Sunday, so all this work should be completed by Sunday. And for the second week, all this work should be done by Sunday. Right? So it's due on the same week. All right, then look at this. Some of them are exams. Here's an exam for module 1 to 3 exams. Some are just training and so on. So this is training. The training assignment is just a training. Just watch a short video clip, and after the end of each video clip, it will give you a couple of questions. Then answer the question. If you get it right, then it will show you the second video clip and so on. So there are like around 20 some video clips for each module. So make sure to complete all these trainings, these assignments. And then sometimes there are exams, right? Exams are multiple choice. So make sure to complete all the questions. So for example, in the week 1, you can start step by step. The first one is an assessment exam. So there are so many questions related to Word, Excel, and this one just okay. We want to know this is an exam. This gives the questions are related to Microsoft Office and so on. So this is a pre-assessment, something like that. And then the exam. Okay, this exam shows like 30 some questions, sometimes 70 some questions, or 50 some questions. So before you take this exam, you may study all of this related to this one. So module 1 is this, so you need to study this. For module 2, study this. Module 3, study this. Okay, then where are these? Okay, these are in the textbook, right? In the textbook. So module 1, module 1 is impact of digital technology. Impact of digital technology. So click this, then read slowly. This is a very simple page. So read it so that you get the content. All right. So for each module, before the exam, read it. Then you can, what the contents is about. And also, okay, let me go to the week 1 part. I want to explain, continue the explanation. So this is the table that is in the syllabus. So same table. So scroll it down, then it shows what you need to study, and it shows some materials. Okay, same thing, week 1, you have to complete the Microsoft Office Mind tab. All right, so here's a folder. So click this folder. Then you will see a bunch of PowerPoint files from module 1 to module 14. So download each module, and then each module, this PowerPoint shows, gives you slides for this module. So once you read it slowly, impact of digital technology. So this is for module 1, right? And then click each slide, read thorough, and then if you don't get it, you can also read the ebook. So these are the summary of the ebook, each chapter, each module. Okay, so read it before take the exam. So it will help you to get better score. Okay. So download everything, and our lecture will be based on the lecture schedule. So in week one, this is week 1. So we are learning this module 3, right? Up to module 3. So study this, and then okay, let me go to the PowerPoint. Sometimes we skip some modules. So make sure this learning outcomes. Learning outcomes is the lecture schedule. So module 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, there's no skip. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, how about this one? In week 4, this is operating system. Different topic. So operating system, here's module 1, module 2, 3, 4, 7. So 5 and 6, we skip 5 and 6. Module 5 and 6. So make sure to follow the lecture schedule. We just follow the lecture schedule. All right. And then also these assignments. So make sure complete these all assignments before the due date. All right. And for the word, from week 6, we are learning words. I clicked the wrong one. Okay, so we're gonna cover Word, Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. For each part, we're gonna learn 4 chapters, 4 modules. 4 modules. So module 1, module 2. So each week we will cover each module. Module 1, module 2, module 3, and next week, module 4. Okay, and then next week we're gonna learn Excel 1, Excel 2, and next week Excel 3, another week module 4. So when we learn Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, we have more time to complete the assignments. And the assignments, there are not many. In this case, project AB or ABC and exam. All right, and then for the last 2 weeks of this semester, we're going to cover module 1 and module 2, or 4 modules. So module 1 and module 2 and module 3. I'm sorry, the last week we're going to cover 2 modules at the same time. So other than the last week, we will learn 1 module per week. Okay, the last week we're going to learn 2 modules. All right, and then all our work is done online through the Mind tab. So make sure you gotta do all this, this assignments before the due date, and there will be no final exam. Okay, there's no final exam. All our work is done during the week. All right. Okay, and from this syllabus, let me explain the grading system. All right, so we have so I made 3 categories. One is quizzes. Quizzes is just a work. This is related to like a homework. Do you remember the training session? And there are also critical challenge, whatever. So all these things and exams. If there is an assignment with an exam, then they are exams. Okay, here, look at this. Okay, semi-exam, right? Semi-exam. So this is an exam for PowerPoint. Here's a semi-exam, Excel exam, right? So those are the exams. And project A, project B, these are the projects. So other than the exam and project, they belong to the quiz. Okay, so if I scroll it up a little bit more, so this is an exam. So this goes to the exam category, and training goes to the quiz category. Okay, quiz category. So everything other than the exam, and project, it goes to the quiz category. So quiz is 30% of the total grade, and exams are 40% of the total grade. Projects are 30% of the total grade. Okay, so uh, almost each assignment has very similar weight. Okay, even 30%, 30%, 40%, they're very similar weight. And if you got more than 90%, then you got an A, and then above 80 and below 90, then you will get a B, and so on. And there is no roundup. So if you got 89.999, that still belongs to B. Okay, not an A, not this is so 89.999 is below 90, right? So the grade will be a B. So there's no roundup. Okay, so when you do the assignments, there's no makeup. So please make sure to complete all the work by the due date. It's really important. There's no makeup. Okay. And the following informations are just student learning outcome. Just read it. Just read what we are learning in this course and so on. All right. So this is really simple information. Okay. Once you read it, you will understand what it means. Okay. The last page is acknowledgement. So you don't have to do this. You don't have to do an sign and print out. What you have to do is, as I just mentioned earlier, in the introduction page, scroll it down, introduction page, scroll it down, click this. So this will be substituted for that syllabus. So click this, just answer the question, and that's it. Okay, so for the introduction page, let me scroll down again. Okay, the first one, this one will guide you to log into MindTap portal, and the rest is just, so for this one, just read it, just click and read, just click and read, just an information. Okay, these are not graded. Okay, this was not graded. And if you click this, then you will, this will, guide you to our MindTap and this too. All right, so this is the introduction page, and then let me continue the week one. Okay, so for this week one, scroll down, then all these 7 assignments are listed below. So at the bottom of this each week template, all these assignments are linked at the bottom, located at the bottom. And so these are the links. All right. So I didn't publish yet. I will publish it so that it will be available tomorrow. So once you click this, so this is the first assignment, the SAM Office Skills Assessment. There, first assignment. And then the second link is Getting Started Project. Getting Started Project, second assignment. And the third one is Windows 10 File Management SAM Training. Windows 10. So all these assignments are located at the bottom of this. So click the link, and then if you log in, then you will click this one. So you will open up the Mind tab, and then complete the work. So click this. Just an example. So it will open up the SAM Office Skills Assessment Exam, right? Okay, from this, click Start. So it will start. So once you start it, there's no turning back. So in this example, there are 28 questions. There are multiple choices. Sometimes multiple choices, sometimes it's an interaction. So as you see this is the introduction. This is the task. So apply the calculation style to E12. E12 is this one and 12. Click this and then apply the calculation style. Here's a set style, right? So click this, and you may not know this one. Here's a calculation. So once it's correct, and it will show you it's correct. If it's incorrect, then it shows incorrect and go to the next. It will give you the next task. So complete this. If you click this, then this will go to here. And then you can just open it. Click this, close it, you can open it again. So once you're done, you can submit it. So before submitting, you can view the report. Then it shows, how many questions you got it right, and so on. Okay. So correct and then skipped, whatever is correct, incorrect, it shows the result here. So make sure to submit that exam, submit each assignment. All right. So sometimes it's an interaction like this, or sometimes it's a multiple choice questions, and so on. So it's all different. Sometimes it will give you, short video clip, and then you answer at the end of each video clip. All right. So can you see what you need to do? So each week page, these are the assignments to complete. This yellow part, yellow column, and all these assignments are located at the bottom of each page. Okay, I think I should remove this one. All right, like this. All right, that's it. And then whenever you have a question, please send me an email. Okay, right. Thank you, and then hope you do well, and then know a lot of things for this computer introduction to the computer courses. Okay.